ይህ የቦሌ ቪዲዮ ትዊተር ላይ ስንት እንደታየ ገምቱ። እኔም አላውቅም፣ ግን ቫይራል ወጥቶ ነበር። ለምን
አንድ ከተማ ልነግሩ ትችላላችሁ? ህንድ ውስጥ እንደዚህ መሰለ
በቃ ከእንደዚህ እኔ በህይወት እያለ እናሳምራት ማረተው
እሱን ቪዲዮ ኦሜክን ላይ ለፍሬንዱ ምን ሀገር ትመስላችኋለች እያልን እናስገምታችኋለን። ስንቶች ኢትዮጵያ ገምት ይሆን? ካን ዩ ገስ ዘ ካንትሪ?
What is that? Japan.
No, I will give you 3 chances.
It is from Japan.
It's not Japan, guess another country.
USA.
Nah, I will give you one more chance. Look closely.
One more chance?
Closely.
Okay.
Look the people.
I think it is Russia.
It's Ethiopia.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
It is clean, bro. It is clean.
You're from Ethiopia. Oh my god, I love this country.
Do you know it?
Yeah, people from your country are very kind.
Yeah.
I'm meeting them so many times here.
Do you know like the country, like the city?
Oh no, I don't know. I don't know the part. I don't know, but I know your country. Like you know.
Can I show you the capital city?
Show me.
Can? Okay, this one.
Wait. Oh, what the? That's
This is the capital city.
beautiful.
اثيوبيا. واتساب اثيوبيا.
What's up, Bangladesh?
اخبارك؟ انت فاهم عربي؟ انت فاهم عربي؟
Bro, I don't speak Arabic.
بومبوكلا.
Bomboklat, what the hell is Bomboklat?
I'm a real bad man.
Broski, just stop.
I want to become a
Okay, good for you.
I'm sorry. How is Ethiopia right now?
Like this. Yeah,
What the
this is Ethiopia, bro.
lie, you are lying, brother. That's
I swear to God. Yeah,
damn, that's good.
yeah, bro.
I never heard about Ethiopia. Can you teach me like some, I don't know, culture about
Okay.
Ethiopia?
I will show you video and you will guess which one is Ethiopia, okay?
Okay.
First clip.
Okay. For real? It looks like New York.
This is the second clip.
Huh? It looks like London.
This is the third clip.
What? It looks like Korea. wait.
Okay, which one is Ethiopia?
The third,
Yeah.
the
The
third-
first one.
The first one.
The first one is Ethiopia.
For me, it's the third one.
This is the
Yes.
third one. This is
Yeah.
Ethiopia. You sure?
Yeah.
It looks like
I don't know, but like all of them, it's like not. It's like the first one, it's kind of like New York. The second one, it's kind of look like London, and the third one is kind of like Korea.
right.
It's okay. Oh, anyways, this is Ethiopia, okay? Yeah, the third clip.
Really?
Is Indonesia beautiful like this?
Not really.
Cheese.
Chill.
Yeah.
Chill.
Do you know Ethiopia?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, my country. Do you know it? No. Let me show you Ethiopia. This. See? This is Ethiopia.
Tokyo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful, right?
Wow.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Wow.
You okay, right? Are you okay?
ሐኪሚሽ የባህል ሐኪሚሽ
Ethiopia. Addis Ababa.
Do you wanna see Addis Ababa?
Italy versus Ethiopia. 1-0
Yeah.
Ethiopia.
This is Ethiopia, bro.
No, this is Dubai.
No,
Are you streaming now?
no, I'm not. Don't worry.
I'm shy.
How old are you?
Can you guess?
I'm very good at guessing people's age. So, you look 19.
19?
What? Is that bad?
Is it 19?
19. Is that bad? How old are you?
21.
That's good. Don't worry.
Looks like child.
No, what about me?
18. I'm wrong.
Your age plus 1, 22.
Damn.
18.
It's okay. Come on.
We both look child.
እንግሊዘኛ አይደለም የሚያወራው።
That's what I
You
find
looks
out.
young.
You look young.
No, you looks like student.
I am in college right now, like 4th year.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Can you guess the country?
Okay. This country is how do you say Swiss?
Switzerland. Yeah, it's Switzerland. What
Yeah.
about this one?
China.
It's not China.
It's America.
Nah, it's South Africa.
It's Ethiopia.
Yeah, man.
Ethiopia. I don't know that Ethiopia is like this.
Yeah, it's like new development.
Maybe one day I will visit.
Oh my god. But when like
It's okay.
this like teenager, high school,
I think I need minoxidil. Like I need to grow my beard. Yeah, otherwise.
oh, you don't need to do that. No.
Oh,
It's
okay.
perfect.
Okay, I won't do that. No problem.
This is perfect.
Thank you. What's your name?
Diana.
Diana?
What about you?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. What Ethiopian men are handsome like you?
Oh my god.
Hmm?
Ethiopians are like known for beautiful women, not handsome man. We are average.
Really?
Yeah. That's the truth.
How tall are you?
Let me see. Guess.
I think you're taller. you taller than me, I think. Like 118 or 170.
What about you? Let me hear yours first.
Me?
Yeah.
No, tell me exactly yours first.
We are not tall in my country. The average is like 170. I'm average 71, 72.
71, 72?
Yeah.
It's okay. I
Okay.
am
What about?
150.
What? 150. Do you know this country?
No.
Guess.
US. US?
It's Ethiopia.
Ito. Yeah. So beautiful.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. ማጨስ ብታውቁ ደግሞ በጣም ቢውቲፉል ነበር። አይ ለነገሩ ዊርድ ነው። ቺል እያደረጋችሁ ቀና ስትሉ የሆነ ጥቁር ሰው ያያችሁ ቢሆን ዊርድ ነው። Is the Philippines like this?
No.
So Ethiopia is better?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the streets are better. Search it on Google Map. BGC.
BGC.
BGC Philippines.
Okay, let me see it. Wait.
Ethiopia. Bro, I've never heard of your country.
It's in East Africa.
Asia?
No, it's Africa, bro.
Africa. That's why I never heard of it.
You never heard Ethiopia? That's crazy, man.
I only see it in here.
So that's a good impression. Like I find this one. Is this your country?
Is that the BGC?
Yeah, this is what I get when I search.
Yeah. It is.
So yeah, it's cool. Filipino also cool, bro.
Nah. Oh, only that side is beautiful.
Oh. Do you get clothes in your size? You are like this. Do you know, like, I like short girl.
You like short girl?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. It's just type.
Say you like me?
That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
We did it.
Why are Ethiopians in Kuwait?
Ethiopia and Kuwait what?
Ethiopians are in Kuwait. You know Kuwait?
Kuwait, yeah, the country. I know it. What?
There are many Ethiopians in Kuwait.
Oh. Are you in Kuwait?
No, I was born in Kuwait.
Oh. What about Bangladesh? Is there in Ethiopia?
No, there are none Ethiopians over here. This is a very poor country, man.
It's in Asia, right?
Yeah, it's in Southeast Asia.
Oh, okay.
You are a part of Asia too, right?
No.
No, you're a part of Africa.
Yeah.
Bro, that's good. That's really good.
Wait. Give me a moment, okay?
Ti amo.
ቲያ በጣሊያንኛ አላቪው ልላት ነበረ። ጉግል ትራንስሌት ላይ ገብቼ ጻፍኩኝ አይላቪው። ፒሲ ደግሞ አንዳንድ ፊደሎች አይሰሩ። ቪንኬት ላምጣት። ምንድነው ሰው ሁላ እንዲህ ብሎ የሚያይ እንዲያዩሃል። ባይ ብልሻል። ባይም አይሰራም። ምን ልሞክር? ዝም ብልስ?
አንዳንዴ እኮ ምክር የሚሰማም ከብት አለ።
What are you doing in Ethiopia, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Do you know Ethiopia?
Yeah, no, we don't. Yes.
This is Ethiopia for your general knowledge. You have good voice.
What?
Are you singer?
No, I'm not singer. I'm not.
If you hear my voice, you will be shocked.
Come on, sing.
I mean, like not in a good way, in a bad way.
Yeah, it's okay. Come on, sing whatever you want. You want to sing. Why?
Okay, I will sing in my language. Is that okay?
Okay, okay.
Don't laugh.
Look, you're so funny.
If you laugh, I swear. Pezza Pepega. Pezza Pepega.
I'm not laughing. Ganto din siya.
Biboy to minyo, tapos may dimmat wayo ko tar.
من أباني لكم؟
Hi. We look same. Where are you from?
Ethiopia.
What?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia? Oh, Ethiopia. Ah, I see.
You see, yeah.
I'm from Indonesia. You know Indonesia?
Yeah, I know Indonesia. Aku mencintai mu. I learned the language.
Oh,
Yeah.
smart.
Thank you, I'm smart. ኔትወርካችሁ ግን ስማርት አይደለም። በስመ አብ።
Hello.
Hi.
Are you streaming now?
No, I'm not.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How you doing?
I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Mashallah. Tabarakallah.
Do you know Ethiopia?
You know Utopia? No, I don't know.
Let me show you Ethiopia. This is Ethiopia.
I got it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
ይህ ኔትወርክ ሊያሳብደኝ ነው።
No. Jay, you didn't me. No. No. But
We both lost.
Hmm?
We both of us lost. We didn't found the girls, you know.
Yeah.
Sadly.
If I show you this image, can you tell me what country that is?
Okay, we'll try.
This one, it's easy.
East.
Where are you from?
How are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? I'm from Ethiopia.
I'm from the Filipino.
I know, bro. I know. Do you know this country?
Russia. Ethiopia.
Good job, man. That's Ethiopia. How are you from? ነው ያለኛ የቅድሙ ልጅ። I'm fine from Ethiopia ነው ብለው።
You YouTuber?
Yeah. Are you?
Is that got play button? Can I see? Show me. Oh shit! Oh my god, bro, that's cool.
እግር ብላ
ሻምፖ
ኮንዲሽነር How funny. What about Jakarta?
I'm so sorry. I'm literally sorry. I cannot hear your voice.
Like clearly.
Like, can you increase your voice?
Okay.
We're so sorry.
Okay, I will talk like this. What about now? Is it good?
Okay.
So what I'm saying is
YouTube play button. Oh my.
it's cartoon. It's fake.
Oh, it's fake.
Yeah.
Someday.
Someday.
Yeah. We wish.
Thank you very much. So I know Indonesian. Can I say something?
Oh yeah. Sure.
Aku mencintaimu.
Aku cinta kamu. Yeah.
Aku cinta kamu. Yeah. Right.
Another word that you learn.
Wait. I think I forget.
I'm sorry. It's aku minta maaf.
What is that?
I'm sorry. In Indonesian language, it's aku minta maaf.
Aku minta
Maaf.
maaf. Okay, aku minta
Yeah.
maaf.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Okay, let me teach you in Amharic. Iqirta. It's easy.
Yikir who? Yikir what?
Ha.
Sorry.
Iqirta.
Yikir ha.
Iqirta.
Yikirta.
Yeah.
Yikirta.
ዋው ዲቬንቺ እንኳንም አሳለፈችው። ዲቬንቺ ባልነበር ዲቬንቺ ሪዞልቭ ነው የማውቀው። ዲቬንቺን የሳላት ሞናሊዛን አንተ ምሬን እኮ ዲቬንቺ ሪዞልቭን የሳለች ልላት ነበር። ኧረ እኔ እኮ ሰው አይደለም ሶፍትዌር እኮ ነው፣ ኤዲቲንግ ሶፍትዌር እኮ ነው። ሀይ አትበል። Oh my god, I can't.
Come on.
I can't. Okay, don't look at me. Like, look down, look up, look here. I don't know. Yeah. Besa bega. ብቸኛ ጠፍቶ ፍለጋ መሸበትና ሰው ሲገባ ልጅቷን አይቶ ተከነባባ። ያ that's it.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.
Should I give you standing applause?
If you can.
ሆይ ሆይ ካናለች ሆይ